Hello and welcome for today. Today I'm going to cover about KP Cohort Register, extracting it from the KenyaEMR. Thank you, and let us walk through step by step, see how to request data and how to download it and see what the cohort has. Thank you. So after logging in, you'll be directed to facility dashboard, then go to home. Then after that, go to reports, click on reports. Next, let us move to Key Population tab. Click on the Key Population. Then on your right, there's KP Cohort Register. You press on it. After that, you will go to Request Report. You want to request report. So what you do, you will select the start date. You can select any time, any duration. Then the end date, you select it. So after that, you will request. For this tutorial, I'll not request because it will take a lot of time to download. So we shall use the one I've just downloaded here. You'll see we have view, we have CSV file, then we have the Excel file. So the most appropriate one, I like using the Excel because it keeps the format. So I will select on Excel format. Then we shall have our file being downloaded. So let us download. So my file has been downloaded. Now I will open the file so that we see how our KP cohort register looks like. And it is opening. This is the easiest method. You can see how many clients you have in your cohort and which date they were enrolled. Here is our cohort that's loaded. So as you can see, it is just like the ordinary cohort, the hard copy cohort register. You can see it has all the details from serial number, the first date, the first contact date is here. So what you can do, let us put there the headers, the filters. Now we use the filters. The filters are here. So we have the typology, everything is there. We have male and female. We have HIV status. U stand for unknown. Let us see. We have U and we have blanks. Let us see the blanks. This one is as blank. So this is an error. So automatically you can go to KenyaEMR, search the client, then rectify. You can also see here we have the KP unique identifier. Unique identifier is the combination of the county, sub-county, the hotspot, the first, second, and middle name combination, and the date of birth, that is month, and we also take the 4 digits given to the client. So as you can see, this is the unique code. If you have any question on how to generate this one, you can ask in the comments or just inbox via email. I will be able to answer you and also make a video on how to produce it. And also I have created a cohort that automatically creates these codes for you. Now we have the key population. You can see we have the key population for FSW, PWID, MSM, but it depends with what your organization offers. We have organizations that offer only for FSW, other one for MSM, other one for PWID. You may find others have FSW and MSM combined, that they're offering all services for those clients. So it will depend on which one you are using. We have different wards and sub-counties. Okay. As we move ahead, we can see that the date of first contact, this one is missing. So probably you will find that the enrollment has been done, but the contact form were not filled correctly. So this is an error. We go back and see what error was done. Okay. So another thing we look at, this is the month. This module has not been completely finished, but if you see peer educator, this stands for peer education. This one shows as you follow, we have the guides on how to read these numbers. You can use the guide. It will guide you through on how to read those numbers. Then we have the condom requirements. The condom requirements are generated. We have the condom distributed and the condom requirement and the loop. This one, we have the peer calendar in the system. We shall come to that. We shall see how you can enter the condoms and any services that the client was given, and it automatically generates here. So that is what the KP cohort entails. You can use it for reporting. It is very good. When you implement, you can be able to see which date the client was enrolled. Next appointment date, you can see it is here. Let us see this client. This client, the next appointment is 12th May 2023. Let us see the date that the client was enrolled into the system. Okay, the client was date of enrollment. Let us see date of enrollment. This is date of birth. Date of first contact. It is 12th of April 2023. Okay, you can see. So you can see, for example, you want to know how many people were enrolled in April. So you just come here, then select, for example, we want to see in 2016 how many people came. So you just filter. We had one person in 2016, another person 2020. We had one. Then in 2012, we had two people. Then in 2023, we had 36. Now we want to select maybe the female. We want to see the female sex workers who are enrolled in our system. You can see there are 20 FSW enrolled into our system. So this is just an overview of the calendar, but you can use it to generate reports, mostly for 731B. That is for key population. You can use this one. Next, I'll be sharing how to find out those KP who are active in the system and how to generate report. Now, just wanted to show you how to generate this, and we shall be talking more and more about the KP. If you have a question, you can also ask in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get more content when it is posted, and you can also ask questions so that you will be answered in good time. Thank you for now, and I wish you well as you continue to learn. Thank you.